beautiful people, welcome to Susan and Family TV. So how are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. As for me and my daughter, we are doing super great by his grace. Amen. And we wish the same for you out there. Amen. Happy Good Friday to my wonderful lovely daughter, to me, and to everyone out there. So to we the Christians, to we the Catholics, we are celebrating, the crucifixion of Jesus today. And next tomorrow, which is Sunday, by God's grace, we'll be celebrating the resurrection of Jesus. We and our kids, our loved ones, and our family. That is why we are celebrating Easter. So if you want to know more about the crucifixion and resurrection of Jesus, we did 2 videos already. Try to click on the video. It's inspiring. I believe you will learn more about Easter. So thanks, for passing again to watch our channel. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare. Look at what we have. Beautiful people, look at what we have. We have chicken food, so it's long time I and my daughter, we use chicken food in preparing food. So yesterday we went to Africa's shop. I saw it immediately. I took 2 pack. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare spicy chicken food stew. So here is it. We have 2 pack, but it's the strong chicken, so we have onions over there. We have fresh pepper. So this fresh pepper, beautiful people, is very spicy. We are using 2, and we will be adding grounded pepper also. So we are not going to use more than 2. If not, we are not going to be able to eat it. It's too spicy. So we have curry there, we have grounded pepper, we have garlic there. We are going to be using liquid tomatoes, we have Maggi, we have groundnut oil, we have salt. So beautiful people, let's get started. No wasting time. So beautiful people, here we are. I washed the chicken foot already. So we are going to be using 3 cubes of Maggi, because it's 2 pack of chicken foot. The chicken foot is many, so we need our chicken foot to have a yummy, delicious taste. So we are going to be adding, sliced onions. We are going to be using more of onions. Anytime I'm cooking stew, I love to add enough onions. We are going to add also our grounded garlic. We are going to be adding our grounded pepper. And we are going to be adding also curry. And we need water, so we will be adding enough of water because it's strong chicken, so that our strong chicken can get soft. So I'm going to cover the pot now and allow the chicken food to get cooked. So see you guys later. I'm going to add little salt. You can notice we don't use, sometimes salt in cooking, but in stew we need salt. So that is why I didn't remember, because most of our cooking we don't use salt. So we need little salt in our stew. So see you guys later. So beautiful people, I felt the water is not enough, so I'm just adding water to it. Okay, see you guys later. So beautiful people, I'm trying to check on the chicken food. Is still cooking, as you can see. So let's allow the chicken food to get cooked enough, because it's strong chicken, it needs to be soft. So see you guys later. So beautiful people, I'm trying to check on our chicken wings again. So I believe like 10 minutes time is going to be soft. enough, you know. So here is it. So I'm just going to allow it like more 10 minutes, then it's going to be soft enough. So see you guys later. So beautiful people, here we are. As you can see, the chicken foot is already soft enough, so I'm just going to remove it now from the gas, from the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the chicken foot from the pot. So see you guys later. So beautiful people, here we are. We are just going to pour in our groundnut oil in our pot we are using to prepare our spicy, yummy chicken foot stew. Okay, we are going to allow the groundnut oil to get heat hot a little. So we are going to go ahead and add our onions, sliced onions in. We are going to be adding our liquid tomatoes. We are using 4. Lower the gas a little. The tomatoes, all is going to like splash out. Then we have the 4th one. So beautiful people, we are going to go ahead and add our fresh pepper sliced. Fresh pepper is very pepperish, guys. So here is it. I lower the gas after I've added all the ingredients. Then I'm going to cover the pot, increase the gas, So I'm just going to pour the sauce from the chicken foot. So the sauce from the chicken foot is going to be enough for cooking our yummy, delicious chicken foot spicy stew. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3 cubes of Maggi. I'm going to add garlic, grounded garlic, and I'm going to add curry. My daughter, she's enjoying Jesus film. She's watching Jesus and Josephine film. She always loved to watch the film. I think almost every month, my daughter loved to watch Jesus and Josephine film. So the film is acted by kids and adults. So she really loved the film. She's enjoying the film, and the film is 9 hours. So she started watching it again today. Like sometimes she watch each CD It's in DVD, 3 DVDs, 3 hours, you know. So like today she would love to like watch one DVD, tomorrow by God's grace the other DVD, and that's Easter day she watched the third DVD, making it 9 hours by God's grace. So maybe your kids will love it. You know, it's Jesus and Josephine Fame. So we bought it in the shop here, but I think you can find it also in the YouTube, you know. So she loved it because it's not hearted only by adults, also with kids. So that is why she loved to watch the Jesus and Josephine Fame every month. So we are just going to, you know, cover the sauce, spices, you know, our spicy sauce to allow it to really get, you know, steam good. I'm going to add just a little salt, not too much, that is just okay. So I'll cover the pot now and allow our stew, spicy stew, to steam. So see you guys later. I'm not adding more water. I'm only going to add little more of groundnut oil. If there's not enough groundnut oil in tomatoes, it's going to look like owo kwabi. You know, so the groundnut oil is going to be enough for our stew to steam good. So see you guys later. I'm just trying to check on our spicy stew, beautiful people, so you can enjoy this spicy chicken food stew with all shrimp foods and all swallow foods. So here is it. So let's allow the stew to steam really good. See you guys later. So beautiful people, I'm checking on our spicy stew. So what I'm going to do, beautiful people, I'm just going to pour in direct our already cooked chicken food so that the chicken food can have a yummy, delicious, you know, spicy taste, you know. So the more the chicken come in early in the stew, the more the chicken food will be spicy, yummy, you know, for eating. So that is it. So I'm going to allow the chicken food and the spicy stew to cook together. So see you guys later. I'll see you guys later. Beautiful people, I'm just checking on our delicious spicy chicken food stew. It's almost ready, guys. It's ready, but it's just that I just want to allow it to be on the gas for like some few minutes, you know. Though it's ready for eating our yummy spicy chicken food stew. So let's allow it for a few more minutes. So see you guys later. Here we are, beautiful people. As you can see, our yummy, delicious, spicy chicken food stew is ready for eating. So we can enjoy this, you know, spicy chicken, you know, food stew with all shrimp foods and all swallow foods. So hope you learned something step by step. You know how I showed how to prepare this delicious chicken, spicy chicken food stew. So thanks for watching. And please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free. Please do support our channel. We appreciate you for taking your time to watch our videos, to watch our channels, you know. We also have other channel called Susan Love TV. Try to watch that channel. Susan Love TV is chit chat channel, and you will love all the videos that I'm putting in there. We also have kids channel Kids Are Adorable TV. So thanks for watching. Thank you again. We appreciate your time you take to see, to watch our channel, to share our videos. You know, my God will guide and protect and bless my daughter and I day and night. We do the same for you and your kids and your family again, again and again. Amen. So here is it, guys. This is our step by step how to prepare delicious spicy chicken, you know, food stew. So thanks for watching. Please do share this video so other family out there who would love to know how to prepare delicious spicy chicken food stew. We also get an idea from this video. So see you in our next video. By His grace, we love you. Remain blessed from Susan and Family TV. We love you. See you in our next video. By His grace, we love you. Remain blessed from Susan and Family TV. It's ready for eating. Come on, Jenna.